Hey, this is Pat Logue here with Prudent Financial Planning. Today we're going to talk a little bit about student loans. I've been getting a lot of questions lately from clients and prospects about student loan plans. What's the best plan for me? How do I pay off my loans? Where do I go? Where can I go for help? Can you do anything to help me? The answer is yes. Yeah, we can help you out with your student loans. We can run a comprehensive financial plan for you. We can gather all the information about your student loans, and we can assess what the best way to proceed is for you. Some people look at their income and their expenses, and the best way to proceed might be to free up some cash flow. For people in that situation, maybe we move on to a repayment plan. The repayment plans all vary. It depends on when you took your loans out, what type of loans they are. We'd have to look at that in more depth. But in general, the normal repayment plans with the federal loans, one thing people don't take into account is the fact that that's a taxable event. As of right now, as the way current legislation stands, when you have that loan forgiven in 20, 25 years, the balance forgiven is taxable income in that year. So if you have, say right now, you have $100,000 in student loans, your typical repayment plan or your 10-year standard plan, you might be paying $1,000 a month. Let's say you go on a repayment plan, though you're only paying $200 a month. You think that's great, frees up some cash flow. What you don't realize is that you're barely paying the interest on that loan. You're not even paying the interest. So your loan balance is increasing, the interest amount that you owe is increasing, and over the life of the loan, that balance is going to increase. So you might start out with $100,000. In 20 years, you might owe $250,000. That $250,000, if that gets forgiven in year 20, that's taxable income to you as the way it stands right now. If you're in a 20% tax bracket, that's $50,000 in income or $50,000 in taxes that you'll owe on that income. So you have to keep that in account, and we have to make sure we're saving along the way to pay off that tax bill when it comes due. Another thing to consider is public sector versus private sector. Are you working in the public sector? Is there something, an equivalent job available at a public sector job or a nonprofit that could help you qualify for public service loan forgiveness? That's a 10-year forgiveness plan that's non-taxable. The issue is that that plan hasn't been working according to plan yet. People have been applying for this, but not many people have been actually receiving public service loan forgiveness yet. And time will tell as we go along if they really start to work out the kinks in that system. But right now, just understand that that's not a foolproof system by far. So other things we can look at, we can refinance into the private sector. Right now, we've seen the 10-year Treasury note just take a nosedive. Yields are at all-time lows right now. That will help if you're refinancing, or if you want to looking to refinance your mortgage or student loans. Low interest rates can help you. Those are things we can look at and determine how long of a period you want to pay off your loans, what's your monthly payment going to be, and how long will it take till you're done paying those student loans. So doesn't stop there. Once we assess that, there are many other factors we can consider and continue to help you maximize your ability to pay down those loans. But if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, www.prudentfinancialplan.com, or call us at 239-230-0395 and set up a free financial health check. Thanks. Have a great day.